Hello everyone. Hope you all are healthy and safe. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you all to Abhivyakti, the audio-video newsletter of the Millennium School, Panipat. It is all set to give you a glimpse of the activities and events that our students and teachers got involved in, even in the most difficult COVID times. I encourage you all to go through it, and I'm sure you would appreciate the efforts put in by the editorial board student members in compiling this audio-visual newsletter. With that, I wish you all a wonderful year ahead. Take good care of yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Vivan Karpal. I study in the Millennium School, Panipat. We created some wonderful cards for our friends with the help of our teachers and parents.
Hello everyone, I am Pragati and I am teacher at the Millennium School, Panipat. It is rightly said that some bonds are sprouted out of love and joy that we bring in each other's life. Friendship is a bond that we all treasure.
Hello, my name is Navya Sharma. I study in the Millennium School, Panipat. We all are daily climbing the learning curve with the help of our loving teachers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Komal Girdhar, facilitator in the Millennium School Panipat. We taught the children about the smallest and the largest and the gradual gradation.
So my name is Chetas Jodh. I study in TMS Panipat. We celebrated Blue Day on 15th July 2020. It was a pleasant and a cool day for me and all my friends.
Hello, my name is Neha Wadhwa. I am teacher at the Millennium School, Panipat. Our children painted their moods in the shades of blue. It was indeed a visual treat to see the good effects of blue color on our little ones.
Hello everyone, I am Kuvam Pava. I study in the Millennium School, Panipat. Such a lovely session on Zoom. I loved all the stories and want to listen more.
Some of the crucial lessons of life are the ones that we learn from our elders. We all ventured into the land of fairy tales as our Millenniumites' grandparents spun a tale and narrated it for the kids to enjoy.
Hello, my name is Japanjot. I study in TMS Panipat. We presented Hindi rhymes online and we liked it so much.
Our tiny tots, on the other hand, had their own cute ways of paying tribute to the martyrs.
Hello, my name is Aradhit Sagar. I study in TMS Panipat. Pink color means love, beauty and kindness. I had so much fun with my teachers and friends on the pink day.
Hello, my name is Sanjana and I am a teacher at TMS Panipat. All of children and teachers looked charismatic in pink. All of kids participated enthusiastically in all the activities related to identifying pink color.
I'm Sarah. I can see in the Millennium School planned Red Day activity to introduce us into memorizing realm of colors, shades of red, make us feel bright, lively, and cheerful. Thank you.
It was such a wonderful activity which helped our children in classifying the objects on the basis of colors and hence reinforcing the child's cognitive skills.
Hello, my name is Dashpreet. I study in TMS Panipat. All of us dressed in different shades of yellow. Our picture boards, notice boards, and walls were also yellow.
With an objective to recapitulate and reinforce the effects of yellow color, we all celebrated Yellow Day with our tiny tots. It was indeed a wonderful experience.
My name is Ruhi. I am a student of class 4. What's the better way to learn and then experiencing it by ourselves? It was so much fun learning about the solar system at the same time.
Hello everyone. My name is Pridhi. I teach English at TMS Panipat. The second and third graders took a ride around the solar system from the comfort of their own homes by dressing up as different planets and learning about our friendly celestial neighbors.
Hello, my name is Iti Bansal. I am a student of class 3rd. In these gloomy times of coronavirus, our school made sure that we do not forget to thank the frontline workers. We all proudly dressed up as Corona warriors for our fancy dress competition.
Hello, my name is Khushbu Badhavan. I teach math at the Millennium School, Panipat. It was a brilliant day with all sorts of costume. Doctors, ambulance drivers, media reporters, delivery guys. Some children are also dressed up for the theme, Walk for a Cause and Pollution.
Hello, my name is Bhavish Raman. I am a student of class 4. Zombie to Mr. Scoopy to Cruel Diva. We were all geared up for Halloween.
Hello everyone. My name is Raisha. I teach class 4 at TMS Panipat. All the amazing performances sent a chill down our spines. The children dressed up in the spirit of Halloween.
Hello, my name is Mehul. I am a student of class 5. Even in the most challenging of times, we at the Millennium found ways to celebrate Janmashtami together online.
Hello everyone, my name is Seema. I teach environmental science in the Millennium School, Panipat. Our Millenniumites donned vibrant traditional attires to emulate Radha and Krishna in our joyous Janmashtami celebration through an online special assembly.
Hello, my name is Jan. I am a student of class 2. Serving while the fancy dress event was fun and engaging way to gain an insight into the world of early man as we knew it through textbooks.
Hello, my name is Ms. Sanji Sagar. I teach class 2 at TMS Panipat. Surviving the wild, fancy dress. This made us realize how lucky we all are to have modern time amenities.
Everyone, I am Pratyush. I am a student of class 5A. Here at Millennium, we learn about different career hands-on, but not just through books, but also with some amazing activities. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ritu Rawal and I teach English at the Millennium School Panipat. Our students picked up the mics and transformed themselves into news correspondents. They reported from their homes and experienced what it takes and feels like to be the TV anchors and media.
I am Madhur Manan Verma of Class 8B. The students' chess acumen and ability to think strategically was on full display during this online chess competition.
Hello everyone, I am Suman Kapoor Gulati, physical education teacher in the Millennium School Panipat. The teachers of chess club were at their best at honing the analytical and decision making skills of students through this online competition.
Good morning everyone. Today I, Sukhpreet of class 8C, I am going to tell about freedom fighters. We took to honoring our unsung patriots by dressing up as their time's favorite freedom fighters. The students learn about the stories of our heroes through each other's portrayal of the brave hearts.
Hello, this is Anu Rotra. I teach social science at the Millennium School Panipat. Taking pride in our identity and celebrating our present by honoring our past is exactly how our Independence Day celebrations went by. Thank you.
To connect with the natural environment better, we all collect photographs of the myriad and fabulous creations of Mother Nature.
The Environment Day photography made us realize how amazing and loving our Mother Nature is.
Good morning everyone, I am Myra Shingla of class 8. This tickled our creative side and we thoroughly enjoyed the whole process, beginning from arranging the material, assembling them into a beautiful rakhi, and then finally tying the handmade rakhi on our siblings' wrist.
To commemorate Raksha Bandhan, the school organized a Rakhi making competition for its students.
नमो नमः। मैं रिगा कक्षा षष्ठी की छात्रा हूँ। इस बार हम मंत्रमुग्ध व जीवन को प्रकाशित करने वाले संस्कृत श्लोक उच्चारण का सभागार में अनुभव नहीं ले पाए, परंतु यह अनुभव भी उससे कदापि कम नहीं था।
नमो नमः। मैं मनीष शास्त्री द मिलेनियम स्कूल पानीपत में संस्कृत का अध्यापक हूँ। छात्रों ने अत्यंत मधुरता के साथ जीवन को प्रकाशित करने वाले ऑनलाइन संस्कृत श्लोकोच्चारण में भाग लिया, जिसने संपूर्ण वातावरण को एक सकारात्मक ऊर्जा प्रदान की।
Hello everyone, I am Anjali Singh. I teach biology at the Millennium School Panipat. We witnessed the perfect blend of creativity and compelling narration as our students took to honor the revered Hindi author Shri Munshi Premchand.
Hello everyone, my name is Sushil. I'm a student of class 12B. We got a chance to narrate Munshi Premchand's ever-engrossing tales, and at the same time, many of us came up with this unique idea to portray our favorite scenes through sketches, model work, caricatures, etc. It was amazing.
मिलेनियम स्कूल पानीपत के हिंदी सुकारक पुष्पा शर्मा की ओर से आप सभी को प्रणाम। हिंदी व उर्दू भाषा के महान साहित्यकार, कथा व उपन्यास सम्राट मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी के जन्म महोत्सव पर मुंशी जी की कहानी चित्रों की जुबानी नामक गतिविधि का आयोजन कर विद्यार्थियों को उनके साहित्यिक योगदान से परिचित करवाया गया। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, my name is Shweta Mittal and I teach English at the Millennium School Panipat. Well, 2020 has been a year of new hope, and our online felicitation ceremony was certainly one of them.
It was about acknowledging and rewarding the commitment of our students and teachers towards academics, which resulted in the ever impressive board results. Now let's hear from our dear Manya and find out what does she think about it.
Hi, my name is Manya Wadhwa. I'm a student of class 12 at the Millennium School, Panipat. In this online educational voyage, we at TMS with our entire Millennium family celebrated the unmatched dedication of our students and all our teachers through an online felicitation ceremony which has kept us motivated to be at our best even in these tough times.
Hello everyone, I am Deepmala. I teach History and Political Science at the Millennium School, Panipat. This year's Teachers' Day, although different, was extremely spectacular and left us with fond memories of our cute little replicas and their even lovelier cards and greetings. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bharti Bhatia. I teach Accountancy and BST at TMS Panipat. It feels great to be a torch bearer for so many around us, and even the slightest of appreciation work feel like heaven. We would like to thank the Millennium School for organizing the virtual Teachers' Day. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Gitika Sharma. I teach computer science at TMS Panipat. As all of us embark on a journey of adapting to learning and teaching online, in the process, what we believe is imperative are the feedbacks and our interaction with the lovely parents of our millenniumites.
Hello everyone, I'm Sara Dhaya from class 12B. My contribution to the development of our newsletter consisted of summarizing the various events taking place in our school in a particular time frame, which ultimately forms a part of the news feed as you see it.
Manya Wadhwa. Being a part of the editing team, our work involves scanning through the Facebook pages for the perfect links, writing the crisp descriptions of the events, which although tedious is an extremely fulfilling process. Thank you.
My name is Alicia. I edit the pictures to render the desired effect and bring visual uniformity to the entire newsletter. I've been on the editorial board now for 2 years, and so far, it has been such an incredible experience.
Hello, this is Maika Arora from class 12th. I've been a part of school's editorial board since last 2 years. My work begins with listing and then researching about the events in the month allocated, which finally ends at a concise event report. The final pictures are then selected and edited. I've really enjoyed working with such a great team, and I hope you all like the newsletter. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Soumya Garg. Even in these troubling times, nothing can stop the Millenniumites from achieving their goals. It was a great pleasure presenting their wonderful work to you through the newsletter. I worked in the graphic and design of the newsletter, and in the process, I discovered some amazing apps and tools for page layout and design.
Hello, my name is Pranav Gupta. I was given the important task to put all the news feed and pictures in the right format while maintaining the visual appeal of the newsletter. It was a wonderful experience compiling the newsletter and working with the editorial board, even in these tough times.